Hi, how are you?
I am fine.
Thanks, and you? Hi, everybody. Today we are going to build some vocabulary with the help of nouns, and new verbs. So, the first question arises, what is called noun? What is called noun? Noun is like which names person, place, or thing. Just speak after me. Which names person, place, or thing is called a noun. There are many persons like Abhishek, Amitabh, or student, actor, doctor. Those all are the nouns. Places like city, hospital, garden, Pune, Mumbai, Allahabad. These all are the nouns. Things you can say like TV, camera, Bajaj, Crompton, Tata. These all are the things, and these all are the nouns. So what is called noun? Which names, person, place, or thing is called a noun. Now we can say about the verb. What is called verb? Which expresses action is called a verb. Let me explain now. What is called verb? Verb is like which expresses action is called a verb. Expresses action, it means like you can say going is an action, running is an action, eating is an action. So these all actions are called verb. So just tell me what is called verb?
Which expresses action is called a verb.
What is called verb?
Which
Expresses action is called a verb. Now let's see some new nouns and new verbs which will increase your vocabulary. So marry. Marry is a verb. Like Ramesh wants to marry Sanjana. Say after me.
Ramesh
Wants to marry Sanjana. Ramesh wants to marry Sanjana.
Ramesh
Wants to marry Sanjana. And what is the noun of the marry? The noun of the marry is marriage. Ramesh wants to marry Sanjana.
Ramesh wants to marry
Sanjana. And their marriage is on next month.
on next month.
Arrive. The bus will arrive
The bus will arrive
in 10 minutes.
in 10 minutes.
The arrival time of the bus is at 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock.
Allow.
Allow.
Would you allow me to go?
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 Okay, have you got the allowances?
What is the allowances?
Have you got the allowances?
Have you got the allowances
From the corporation?
from the corporation?
Read.
Read.
He is reading the newspaper.
He is reading the newspaper.
I have read the newspaper.
I have read the newspaper.
My reading is excellent.
My reading is excellent.
My reading is poor.
My reading is poor.
Reading is
Reading is
the best skill
the best thing
to improve.
to improve.
Arrange.
Arrange.
Have you arranged everything well?
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 Has he seen the arrangement of the class?
Have you seen the arrangement of the class?
Has he seen
Has he seen
the arrangement of the class?
the arrangement of the class?
Hey,
Hey.
the arrangement of that marriage was very poor.
Was very poor.
Conclude.
Conclude.
Would you please conclude in 10 minutes?
Would you conclude in 10 minutes?
Would you please
Could you please
conclude in 10 minutes?
conclude in 10 minutes?
What is the conclusion of that topic?
What is the conclusion of that topic?
His conclusion was
His conclusion was
superb.
superb.
Have you enclosed
Have you enclosed
the documents
the documents
with your email?
with your email?
Hey,
Hey,
I have not found the enclosure.
I have not
Found the enclosure with that email.
with that email.
Do you manage your company?
Do you manage your company?
I am really sorry.
I am really sorry.
I am not the manager of this company.
I am not the manager of this company.
Which party is?
Which party?
Which Which party is
Which party is
governing
governing
Maharashtra?
Maharashtra?
Who is the governor of Maharashtra?
Who is the governor of Maharashtra?
Are you typing a letter?
Are you typing the letter?
Who is the typist in your office?
Who is the typist in your office?
So you understood all the verbs and nouns? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me some examples of verbs and nouns using this vocabulary. Okay, tell me.
Sanjana likes to marry Rahul, and their marriage is on next month. And which party govern the Maharashtra, and who is the governor of Maharashtra? The train will be arriving in 15 minutes, and the arrival time of train is 11 o'clock. And I am reading the newspaper, and my reading is good. Are you arranging the wedding party, and how is the arrangement of the party?
Good. Now you.
Can you conclude the speech in the 10 minutes? And what is conclusion of your speech? He type a letter. He typist for company. She manage the company. What are company manager?
Good. You please.
They allow me to do business in.
Please stand up. Would you please stand up?
They allow me to do business in that area, but not give me some allowances to develop the business.
Next. Yeah.
Geeta married with Sunil. There are marriage in next week. Can I allow new job? I got allowance for a new job.
Good. Your please. Your sentences.
Ram likes to marry Sita. Ram and Sita's marriage is on next Monday.
Good.
He is arrived. Sorry. Do you allow to drive a car? Do you complete your important allowances?
Good. Please sit down. Okay. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I will tell you verb and you have to tell me the noun. Marry,
Marriage,
arrive,
arrival,
allow,
allowance,
read,
reading,
arrange,
arrangement,
conclude,
conclusion,
enclose,
enclosure,
manage,
manager,
govern,
governor,
type.
typist,
Now I will tell you noun, you have to tell me the verb. Marriage,
marriage,
arrival,
arrive,
allowance,
allow,
reading,
read,
arrangement,
arrange,
conclusion,
conclude,
enclosure,
enclose,
manager,
manage,
governor,
govern,
typist.
type,
Now tell me whether it is a verb or noun. Alright? Conclusion, noun.
Noun.
Conclusion,
noun,
marry,
verb,
verb. Arrangement,
Noun.
arrangement,
noun,
allowance,
Now,
noun,
allowance,
noun,
typist,
noun,
type,
verb,
type,
verb,
conclude,
verb,
arrange,
verb,
allow,
verb,
arrive,
verb,
marriage, noun, arrival, noun, allowance.
noun.
Okay, are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Wish you all the best for your further learning, and please do not forget to subscribe Shantinath Patil Inspiring for the latest and knowledgeable videos. Thank you very much, and please click on subscribe and have fun. Take care. Bye bye.